Hello, everybody. This is Brandon Reacts TV, and today I have another Woody Woodpecker reaction. This one is going to be The Barber of Seville from 1944. So, yeah, let's get into it.
Guess who?
It's Woody. Woody. Okay.
See,
Tony Figaro.
Tony Figaro.
Figaro. There you go, Figaro.
Interesting. Very interesting.
Oh, what? Need a haircut?
Need a haircut?
Come in.
We'll give you a good trim.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'll bet he ain't kidding either.
Right, cause the Barber of Seville, right? Like the opera. Like you ain't kidding, right?
With a drip trip.
The pip drip, okay.
With a stinky kink.
Okay. Yeah, why not? Where is he? Where is he? Oh, he wants someone real quick.
Come on. How about a little service?
Right, right. Oh, gone to take my physical. Back soon. Tony. Wow.
Back soon. That's what he thinks.
That's what he
Oh, well,
thinks.
maybe I can
Okay,
cut my
Woody.
own hair. I cut my own teeth.
I cut my own teeth. What? What does that even mean?
See, where do I begin?
Oh, there you go. Hey, that's good. All right, Woody.
Looks like harmonica lake.
Yeah, you're killing it. Uh-oh. Woody's like, where did that come from? That's not you.
Well,
Oh.
what do you know? Sitting bull. What do you have, John?
Huh? He want quick shampoo.
Shampoo.
Okay, turkey head.
Turkey head. Woody, no, but Woody, don't do that. You don't even work there. Just tell him, like, I don't work here, and then the guy's he's not back yet. He's doing his physical or whatever. But don't. Oh, Woody, man. Well, at least he's not gonna cut his hair. He's just I guess he just wants his hair shampooed. So I guess it's not too bad. But okay, Woody. Oh, that's very hot. Yeah. What? Oh, okay. I thought he was gonna cut the water or something. Oh wow. Oh, that's super hot, man. What are you doing with the bread? He turned into a toaster. Okay, Woody. And the bread looks perfectly toasted too. Oh, it's shrinking. Oh no. Oh wow.
You give Chief the bird, me give you
The bird.
sharp treatment.
Oh.
Oh, no. Me give you scalp treatment.
Oh, come on. Let me give you scalp treatment. Oh, Woody. Wow. Bird. Okay. Oh, poor guy, though. He didn't deserve that. Oh, come on. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, man. Oh, wow. Okay, Woody.
What do you have, John?
I want you for to give me the whole works, Figaro.
The whole works. Oh, but you don't know what you're doing, Woody. Tell him you don't know what you're doing. No, Woody. Woody, you don't know what you're doing. Oh, you messed this guy hair up. You messed his hair up.
Remove the hat.
Right, right. What? What are you doing, Woody? What are you doing? Wow, that's pretty impressive. Oh, there you go. That's how you remove a hat. It's shiny. Okay. All right, Woody. Ah, there you go, Woody. Wow, there you go. There you go, Woody. He's just messing with this guy, man. What are you doing now? On his shoes? Hey. Oh, he's mad, man. Oh wow, yeah, like he just slapped him with that, man. And Woody, man, hey, but his singing was great, man. Wow, that was good singing by Woody for sure. But yeah, well, I mean, if I was this guy, I would be angry too. I'm not gonna lie. Like Woody's just messing around, man. We just have to tell him like I don't work here. Oh, you don't no, you don't want him to do that.
Take it easy.
Right, take it easy. All right, Woody. Uh-oh. Man, singing is great in this, man. Uh-oh. Oh! Woody, man. I wouldn't trust Woody with that, man. I wouldn't trust him anywhere near my hair. Oh, this poor guy, man. Wow. Oh, whose teeth are those? there was some teeth that popped up. Oh no, he wants to chop this guy's head off. Woody. No, sir. Figaro, there you go. There you go. Hey, Woody. Come here, mother. Oh, you're not going anywhere. Man, this is great, man. Oh, no. Woody, man. Woody's crazy right now, man. Oh. Oh, man. Okay. Okay, Woody. Man, the singing is really, really good, Woody, man. There you go. Hey, there you go. That lad, there you go. Oh. Wow, there you go. That was awesome, man. Wow. Oh man, I love this. This was so good. And then that laugh in the end, that was a cherry on top, man. That was everything, man. Wow. But the singing throughout this so good, man. Wow. I love this one. This one was awesome. So good. No complaints at all. This one, wow. I'd say, man, so far this is my favorite Woody Woodpecker cartoon, man. This one right here, this one is awesome. Wow. I really enjoyed this one a lot for sure. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.